This is how we would deliver each fixture with everything assembled. Or it will have its transformer, placed as it is, in the same position, at the back, just like the motor. A black wire that comes out on this side of the transformer, on this side, that wire has to be 50 centimeters long. In case it doesn't, we will have to solder the cable to it. Woe as we have done with the motor and put a shrink sleeve on it. I don't want to see this. And the motor still has to come with 50 centimeters of cable. And if there isn't any that we have to solder with shrink sleeving, then we will have the motor that will be completely screwed with its 3 screws. Always remember that the screws must have a Glover pressure washer. Or then we will have the motor pulley mounted with its screw and with its Glover and flat washers so that it makes pressure. Because this one has a play that could be avoided by putting the washer that touches. Then the 2 pulleys would be mounted with their 2 shafts, their screws, always the same screws. And the pulleys with their pins, both on one side and on the other. The transformer, the black cable that is the one that is connected to the plate will always come. Or with the connector connected, so that the customer connected directly, not having to wire it, the transformer will come like this. The wires always go at the ends, and this would come loose like this. Once you put the control panel in, you just plug it in, and you'll never go wrong. This is the motor connector, the same. The motor connector always has to be already mounted on the motor. It will not come on the plate, it will come on the motor. So the customer will never make a mistake. It always goes first. The black wire first. And then the red one. The encoder will come loose because the customer can't make a mistake because it goes in the white connector and there is no mistake. Regarding the idler pulley, the same thing. Idler pulley with its ring cigarette. Its 2 wheels with their little screws. Its pins, its cigarette rings on one side as well as on the other. And then the same thing here. The idler pulley bolt with a flat washer and a self-locking washer. The pressure screw. Tension bolt with its nut. And with that, we would have the complete kit.